All right, what is going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, we are going to be switching it up a little bit. I'm going to be taking you on a little bit of a quicker tour than usual because one, it is hot out, but two, I'm also running a little bit thin on time to get to my next shoot. But this one today is going to be the 2025 Bighorn 392DS, and that is going to stand for dual suite. So 2-bedroom, 2-bath RV. Every time I post these, you guys seem to really like it. But I'm really curious to see what you guys think, because this one has a dinette as opposed to a long couch, which some people want more sleeping or seating. Some people want more eating. So let me know what you prefer down in the comments. But all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes will be down in the description, along with a link for Funtown RV where this one is heading. Now, right off the bat, as you can see, you have a drop frame, which is going to lead you to a ton of pass-through storage. So as you're going through this, you can imagine all the extra stuff, all the extra crapola you're going to be plugging on into this thing because you've got the room to do it. So definitely better than the industry standard there. You also have 6-point hydraulic auto leveling along with frameless windows and not one but 2 awnings along with 3 ACs in this unit. But this is what I'm talking about for the decor. Bighorn is got a remake for 2025. You have dual opposing slides. So a big old Mac Daddy 12-volt refrigerator, which is going to be really nice. Obviously, a week's worth of food, no problemo. You also have a freezer section down here with an ice maker, which you can see is nice and labeled there for you. The 4-top burner to whip up all the fixings, along with an oven big enough for a turkey, along with microwave and a TV on a televator, which I'll lower here in a moment, just above a fireplace that puts out enough heat to heat the entirety of this area. You're also going to get a lot of storage, things like a garbage can, cutting board, and more pull-out drawers along with room underneath the sink. But you also have the solid surface countertops. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. You also see the bronze finish to the stainless steel undermounted bowl with the high-rise faucet, hitting those dishes from all angles. You also got yourself a little power tower that is easily collapsible. There's 2 outlets, a USB, and a universal seat. Now you have really fancy seats there, which I'll show you here in a second, but you have an expandable table for 4 right there. Each and every window does open up, with the back 2 being a little bit of an emergency exit right there. So if you need to get out, just pull, push, and plop, get out in a hurry. You also have the old Dracula shade, so if you don't like the sun, you can stop it from sizzling you up, no problemo. 2 cup holders here in the middle with a place for a remote, but you also have heat, USB-C, seat, and lumbar support in this. Plus, it's at a good angle there to view your TV as well. Now, to lower the TV, right here is going to be the retract, and while I'm doing that, I want to show you this overhead loft, which is pretty darn nice. Again, a little bit hurried up on time, but let me know, do you guys prefer the faster speed, or do you like a more kind of slow go approach, stretch it out to 15 to 20 minutes? But I like how that solid surface top right there matches up with the rest of the countertops. Now it exposes a window back underneath with obviously more storage there, and real wood cabinetry as well. So we already saw that. Notice how it has the AC in there. It's also going to be ducted down into the bedroom as well with the vents right here. Queen size bed, a little bit of storage underneath. Let's see here. Got some storage there up underneath. You also have room for your hanging items with a TV in between, along with some extra storage down there, and then some pull-out drawers right here as well. And then into the bathroom, you got the farm-style bowl, porcelain foot flush throne, and then I have a 3-year-old, so having the tub style is going to be really important to me. So that's about an 8-inch drop right there. The Tri-Glide glass series, and then you got like 8 feet of headspace in here as well, with a door right here if you want to have a little escape hatch. You got a mirror for the old bowling gun, baby, along with the porcelain top. Storage there up underneath, along with 3 more pull-out drawers. But let's keep on cooking here. Now we're back out into the kitchen. I think it looks super, super nice. But the nice thing about this is you have a lot of storage over here in the form of a pantry. Also, if you have like more space, I also like how the decor on that looks as well. But this is going to be like a drinker central right there. You got the outlets, place for your wine, and you got a place for all your bottles there too as well, with a junk drawer, I guess. If you want to put some mini shots in there, you can. Flush mount slide over here with 610 tall high slides as well. You got your fuse box down on the ground right as you walk in, along with your control panel right here with your solar charge outlet controller. There's also a 2,000 watt inverter, and this is all touchscreen, and you can put it over to your phone to control as well. Now here's going to be the main bath, the master bath, baby. It is looking really sharp. I like the pattern back there behind with the globe lights. You also have 4 more pull-out drawers along with the Suburban on-demand hot water heater, another inverted outlet, and then of course, you know, another sink right there as well. But another mirror, another gun. This is going to be a more traditional shower. Well, it's still got the tub right there. So you got about 6 inches in here, a place to sit your bum or hike a leg up. One-piece fiberglass shell with one of the fanciest shower heads known to man. The nice showers aren't just for rich people. These are also on dimmers too, so if you want to set the mood right, if you're snuggling up with honey buns on the theater seating, you know, you are more than able to do so. Now heading into the bedroom, this is going to be a bed on a lift as well, so you can actually get a little bit more moving and grooving room. So the control for that will be located right over here. I like the accent lighting with USBs there up top, and then you got a place maybe where you can hang like a dog leash or something, you know, hang a hoodie on me. You're good to go right there. Another AC, TV, emergency exit, place to put all your boxes, and then a place to wash all your boxers right here. And this is kind of on an angle too, to give you a little bit more shelving over there, you know, maybe for your detergents. And then of course, you know, you got plenty of room for all of your hanging items. But all right, I know that was short, but now I'm gonna head around the outside, probably about 3 minutes there, and then get moving on to the next location. But again, it's the 2025 Bighorn 392DS. And in case you missed it the first time around, all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, including a link for Funtown RV, will be down in the description. But full profile for the unit. So it's going to be one basically constant height from here to here to basically give you a little bit extra headroom there for you. But what do you guys think about that molded fiberglass front cap with that LED bar? I think it looks really slick. You also have the Kurt Helix series right here as well, so a much more comfortable ride there for you. And again, 6-point hydraulic auto leveling. The auto controls will be right here. You got a cutout for your generator there down below, so if you want to, it's already opened up and cut for you. It's about the size of like from here to there. And look at that, that's that drop frame, a good little kind of visual on it. You got your battery, you know, your battery disconnect, your 2,000 watt inverter right there. It's got a 4,000 watt surge on it too, by the way. Your propane right there, but again, the drop frame leading you into a ton of storage with kind of that toy hauler finish right there as well. So there's going to be that drop frame, which cuts off right there, as you can see in the screen. The 500-pound steps for the step above, so those flip up into the doorway when you're not needing them. And again, the frameless windows, not one, but 2 awnings. Both those can be run off of your batteries or the 12 volt. So if you have the solar, you know, you can run off the solar. 16-inch Goodyear Endurance tires. So a little bit upgraded there. And it looks like you got the MORryde CRE 3000 series for the suspension there too as well. You also have a little carrier, tire carrier. So you unscrew that knob and you can pull that out for easier access here for your, you know, your spare as well in case you do pop it. But it does have tire pressure monitoring system as well. So hopefully you don't have to experience that. There's that rear entrance door. You have the Lippert on-the-go ladder system to get on top of your fully walkable roof, along with the backup camera prep there too as well. So the Furrion S Vision. It's also got the side camera mounts as well up in the front left and the front right. 50 amp connection. Your sewer outlet connection and all your valves will be located right behind that door. You are able to put slide toppers on each one of these as well if you choose to. Basically, it's a piece of awning that prevents debris from falling on top of your unit. Back end of the Suburban on-demand hot water heater. And this is what that looks like behind that door with those access to the valves. And then your black tank flush along with your docking station right here as well. So hot and cold water, all your bypass valves, city water connection, and your potable water along with your battery disconnect. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I know it was a quickie. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Again, it's the 2025 Bighorn 392DS, the dual suite, baby. Have a great day. See you.